Hello friends, this electric door lock have been controlled from bell push button, wireless remote, and now the new device with fingerprint password and RFID card access control. So let's first open up the lock, which you had seen in the video previously. Within this box, you have following parts like keys, lock lever, and outer covering. To control this lock from only bell push button, we have normal power supply. For wireless remote, you can use this supply in which you can normally connect the lock and switch wire within this system. Okay, now that new device from which I can control the lock through fingerprint, password, RFID tag cards, and keychain, there is also user manual available for all settings and information. Let's deep dive into proper demo section.